What's up? We're back with another video, guys, and we're out here at the meet. We're out here at the meet, guys, and there's a couple trucks, nice ass trucks, and a couple cars. We're gonna chill, hang out for a little bit, and we'll see what's up. Not just probably head out in a little bit, but we'll see what happens. Guys, it's actually a couple days later. It's actually Wednesday today. I had a little bit of free time today, guys, and I did a little bit of running around, and I got some more parts for the extended cab, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got so far. I don't know, guys, I'm kind of getting a little bit bored with the truck already, and I don't know if I should sell it, get something else, you know, or go ahead and finish it. You know, I still, like, if I go ahead and finish it, guys, there's a lot that I want to do, but I kind of want something a little bit more newer. I haven't fucked with the Trailblazer at all, so I really don't know, guys. My girl's telling me finish the Trailblazer, finish the truck, and then we'll get something else. So I really don't know, guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got today, guys, and hopefully y'all like it. Y'all let me know if I should put it on the truck or not. But I also got a couple parts for sale, guys. If anybody's interested, I got the Escalade dash pad, like the one I put in my truck, but it's still stock. It's brown with the handle. I do have the bezel, guys, but the bezel's a little bit broken. If anybody's interested, just hit me up on Instagram or on Facebook, wherever you feel more comfortable. But let me go ahead and show you these parts, guys. Let me know what y'all think. So I ended up picking up the HD pad and the bottom lip. This one's the bottom lip, guys. I got it cheap, 15 bucks. And the HD pad, I got it for 40 bucks. And I don't know if I should put it on, guys. I already got the grill. I'm looking for a cow hood. If I do go with the HD front, I'm gonna go with a cow hood. And I'm also doing the window, guys, here soon. I haven't done it, I haven't had no time, but if I decide to stick with the truck, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do the window and do the front probably by the end of the week. So y'all stay tuned for that, guys. Y'all stay tuned for that. I don't want to make this video too long. My last video was a little bit too long, and I just wanted to give you an update on what's going on, guys. So those parts are going to be put on this week. If I decide to stay with the truck, guys, I'm really not sure. and there's gonna be more things coming if I do keep it. But let me know what y'all think, guys. What y'all want to see? Do y'all like the build so far, or should I change it up, do something else? But I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go with this. And don't forget, guys, God is good. And keep pushing, guys. Keep pushing. Don't forget, God is good. And I'm gonna go ahead and catch you on the next one. One last thing, guys. Y'all go check out that giveaway I'm doing, guys. I'm giving away some Vortex covers. The only thing you have to do, guys, is like, share, and subscribe. That's it. That's it. I'm not asking for y'all to buy no tickets or buy a raffle or whatever. No, the only thing you have to do is like, share, and subscribe. And that's it, guys. Y'all go check out that video. And that's pretty much it, guys. Y'all stay good.